Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pacey. In today's video, we're going to be installing this beautiful unit from Westkiss Hair, and also all the information on this unit will be in the description box below in case you want more information like the density, length, and everything. So this is a HD lace wig. I actually bleached and plucked the lace. What I'm doing right now is trying to basically position the wig and cut the 3 sections. I'm gonna do a glueless install because I need it because my edges is going through. Okay, so as you can see, I add on the Got2b gel, and then I'm going to spray the hairspray, the Got2b hairspray on top of it. I find that this really helps the wig stay on longer. This wig stays on for at least a good week when I do this like little method. And then of course I go in with the blow dryer, and y'all please excuse my voice, I am going through it. Okay, I just got over a really bad cold and my voice is still a bit raspy, so but I'm still trying to do the voiceover and everything. But anyways, I'm gonna place the wig onto the glue and the hairspray, and I go in with my rat tail comb and I comb through it. I really like doing it this way because it just helps separate the hair and it makes the glue just dry smoothly, and then I do it on the sides as well. It's really important to make sure you place the glue perfectly on where you want to place the wig on the sides, because as soon as the side of your wig starts lifting, your entire wig is done for. So make sure you get the sides. Okay, the sides are important, probably more important than the front, like the middle area. But this is how it looks like when I'm done. Got the sides nicely glued on and everything is good, and now we're going straight into cutting. I use the razor, you can get these little razor blades from like Target, Walmart, and I prefer cutting with this more than a scissors because it makes like a more like zigzag cut, and then the lace just looks more natural. And then I go on the sides. So actually when I'm done cutting this, I'm gonna go back in with these scissors to really kind of carve the corner and create like a little ear section, because the wig was too big for me. My head is pretty small, so most of these wigs be big. Okay, and then I go in with the spray to get the wig to melt, and I tie my head with the Westkiss headband. So I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit, and then when I come back, I'm going to take the headband off, as you see, and the wig is melted. It's a little white because of the fact that this is a glueless install, but don't worry, that's all gonna go away. And then look at that, I'm gonna do a middle part, but do you see how beautiful that bleached knots are? Blends perfectly with my skin tone. So I like to do a middle part and then go to the side, grab a little piece of hair on the side, use a toothbrush and mousse to kind of like smoothen it out, and then I'm gonna go in with scissors, cut it to a slant, and then slant create the baby hairs in a slant. Everything is slant when you want the perfect baby hairs. That's just how I get the best baby hairs, by cutting it in a slant, and then as I'm like creating it, I do like a swoop. So the baby hairs were kind of long, they were touching my eyebrows, so I went back in, cut it as you just saw, and then I went back in again and swooped it again. So I'm satisfied. It's far away from my eyebrows, so now I'm doing these sideburns, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm kind of just, smoothing it out with mousse, and then I'm gonna go in with the scissors, cut it to a slant, and continue the same process on this side and, well, obviously this side, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Guys, do not mind me, okay? I'm trying my best here. I'm trying my best. Also, guys, do not be afraid to cut any amount of hair that you need to create the perfect baby hairs. It's all about like customizing it to your liking. So once I'm satisfied, I'm doing the same thing on the other side of my head. And the way that I know where to start my baby hairs is literally by doing my middle part, or like following where the arch of my eyebrow starts, and I know where to basically cut that. Like, you see that little area right there? That's how I kind of like gauge that I'm gonna cut it there. And the sideburns are kind of just very easy, like it's right by my ear. And that's literally it. I don't try to take too much, I don't take too little. I just take enough to where you can see it, but it's not too dramatic. And then you're done. That's it. So the hair is melted and the baby hairs look good. So now we're gonna go into curling the wig. This is the next day, hence the outfit change. So to begin curling, I just wanted to show you first what the hair looks like before I curl it. And now we're spraying some heat protectant spray, and I'm gonna brush the spray throughout the hair, and then we're gonna begin curling. If you guys want a video on how I curl the hair, then let me know and get the video to 500 likes, and I will release a video on just more specifics of how I get the curl pattern to look like this. But for now, we're just gonna do a quick curl, okay? So I'm gonna do half up, and I'm gonna start from the bottom, and then I'm gonna go up. And same method. If you watched my how to curl your hair with a flat iron, it's literally the same exact method. So I'm gonna curl the entire hair, and I'm gonna play some music while you guys watch me curl my hair and see how the hair looks like in the end. So I'm all done curling, and now I'm gonna go in with the hot comb. The hot comb is what makes the wig really lay flat and just look more natural, in my opinion. So I'm going in and I'm getting the middle of my hair. I'm gonna get the sides and just anywhere that like has that crunchy or bumpy feel. The hot comb is gonna take care of it like 100%. Then I'm gonna go in with the wax stick to get rid of the flyaways. And then when I'm done with the wax stick, I'm gonna comb through the curls a little bit so that the curls are like more loose and more like voluminous and just beautiful. And once you comb through them curls, that's it. The wig is done. Like, the hairstyle is complete. So that's it. That's pretty much the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This hair was extremely soft, really shiny, had a lot of body and movement, and it was true to length. It was just a really beautiful unit. And if you want more information on this unit, make sure you click the link in the bio, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.